Hey my lovelies, welcome back. I hope you all are feeling amazing. So in today's video, I'll be layering my bed with my extremely comfortable and luxurious bedding from Cozy Earth. If you're unfamiliar with Cozy Earth, they are a premium bedding and loungewear company. All of their products are made with premium weave technology. They are the world's foremost source of high quality, authentic bamboo linen, sleepwear, and loungewear. This is how your bedding will come packaged in these super cute reusable bags. They'll also have a tag attached to it of what's inside of the bag along with some care instructions. If you're all about extreme comfort and relaxation in your bedroom, you will love how I layer my bed using Cozy Earth's bedding bundle. If you are looking for some luxurious bedding, after this video, go check them out at cozyearth.com, and y'all know I got you covered. Make sure you use my code LEVION40 for 40% off your purchase. First, I'm starting with these super luxurious sheets. I am so obsessed with the way they package their bedding. I'm definitely going to be reusing these bags. So Cozy Earth's bamboo sheets are the world's softest sheets. They are temperature regulating, so you'll sleep comfortable all year round. And y'all know how I love temperature regulating sheets. If you're a hot sleeper like me, you know what I mean. And I also love having temperature regulating sheets because I really don't like changing out my bedding just because the seasons change. So that's 100% plus for me. They are premium bedding, 100% viscose from bamboo fabric, and it's gentle on sensitive skin. Since adding in my mattress topper, it's been a little difficult finding sheets that will cover the mattress topper along with the mattress, and Cozy Earth definitely passed that test. I love how the fitted sheet covers my entire mattress with the mattress topper on. They fit well on both regular and deep pocket mattresses. Next, I'm adding on my flat sheet. Y'all, OMG, I really wish y'all could just reach on the screen and feel the softness and the luxuriousness of these sheets. I was feeling the Cozy Earth embroidery on the set as well. So Cozy Earth bamboo sheets comes in some new bedding neutral colors as well. And the sizes are from twin all the way to California king. So definitely something for everyone. As you can tell, there's quite a bit of wrinkling on the sheets. That doesn't really bother me, especially since they're the flat and fitted sheet. But what I like to do is fold, my sheets up really nice and tuck them really tight underneath the mattress. And this will loosen up a lot of the wrinkles. My bed is a queen size, which meaning my pillowcases would also come in a queen as well. Y'all know I love using king size pillows on my bed, so I was amazed that the pillowcases were large enough to fit my king pillows in. I would have loved if they had a zipper closure, but definitely not a deal breaker for me. As you can see, I'll just place both ends on the inside so you can't really tell. Plus the pillowcases were a really good fit. Now we're adding in our comforter. Y'all check out this super cute duffel bag it comes in, so cute. So this comforter can be used alone. I know a few of us do prefer just to use the comforter, so you won't be let down with this one. My first impression of this comforter, I was like, okay, this isn't as thick as I thought for a comforter or even for me to insert inside of my duvet. How will it keep me warm throughout the night? But baby, this comforter surprised me. This lightweight but weight comforter is my favorite. It just kept us so warm and cozy throughout the night. It had the perfect amount of filling. They have an option for extra filling of bamboo or silk. For me, I love my duvet cover, so this comforter also comes equipped with the handles to secure your insert. Next, we're adding in our duvet cover. Again, completely optional. If you'd rather just a comforter, that's fine, but I am encouraging you to try this duvet out. This also comes in a few different colors, so if you want to move away from just all white, they do have some other color options perfect for that. So y'all can see all of this luxury coming through your screen. Such high quality. I am just in love. So this, just like all of Cozy Earth bedding, is breathable and has moisture wicking fabric that feels degrees cooler than cotton. All of their products are certified free of harsh chemicals and dyes, and they have enhanced weave quality that won't peel. To add in my insert or the comforter, I turned my duvet cover inside out and then laid the comforter on top, then made sure that my ties were completely snapped together. I'm a creature of habit, so I'm not even attempting the tackle method. For me, it's just easier to pull from the corners and then turn the duvet and the comforter right side in. I love the extra flap, oversized to fit every type of bed and sleeper. The bedding did have some wrinkles, and expected. I did run my steamer through the duvet just to get some of the wrinkles out. I was okay with it being on the sheets, but I felt like I wanted to get as much wrinkles possible with the duvet being the main piece displayed. This whole set was just giving me luxurious hotel vibes, so I decided to tuck in my bedding for a crisp, luxurious, simple style. I'll add in a few neutral decorative pillows and a cream quilt at the end of the bed for extra layering and texture. After sleeping in this set for a few days, I can see why their bedding was chosen 4 years in a row as one of Oprah's favorite things. Cozy Earth is so confident that you will love their products. You can give them a try risk-free with their 100-night trial. If you don't love them, like I know you will, you'll get a full return with no questions asked. Go check them out for yourself at cozyearth.com and make sure you use my code LEVION40 to get 40% off of your purchase. But hurry up and make sure to order while this offer lasts. And that, my lovelies, is how you layer your bed for extreme comfort. I hope that you guys have enjoyed hanging out with your girl. And if you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Go ahead and join my Extremely Modest YouTube family. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.